Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam President Mayengbam Somorje has said that the organization had submitted a memorandum to Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla urging him to change the higher education system of Manipur to provide quality education to the students. The statement was made during a press conference which was organized at Desam office in Kwagathel today. Speaking further, Mayengbam Somorje highlighted that they submitted the memorandum which contained 3 key points to urge the governor to change into higher education system which has stayed the same for a very long time. He further explained that the 3 key points are supervision of teacher education in the state, facilitation of honors and research degree courses at government colleges according to guidelines for transforming higher education institutions into multidisciplinary institutions 2022 of NEP 2020 by rationalizing the subjects and to establish new departments for the new courses. Further, Mayengbam Somorje maintained that quality education can be provided to the students if the governor acts on their demands.
ITP hangba amasung akogi dem city gi magi status sin na ba matamda isam gi miyang di hai basigum laba state gi amna maru oiba isi education institution na sa irma mata da magi masak mahan bang yaroi masi hangnana bagi damak ta government mathau taba manpower mayam si loina mak koi happy rakanda sigum laba national education policy gi kesu koi basi mandate si su koi fulfill to hon ba gumba teaching university sa policy na yumpham ora kana to budabani bari gumba masi gi mayokta government na thabak amata to bigenu stakeholder mayam su Desam gi mai kai digi appeal to jari